Dynamic Divas. Can we make some noise for these two teams? Come on. All right. So I'll give it over to you. You'll take it over.
Hello, 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 check. All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome all. Play Sports Edition 980s 2026. Dynamic Divas will be taking on Team Elite, and it's toss time. I have got the skipper on my left, Manasi from Team Elite. Sonam leading team, Dynamic Divas, and to do the honors for the toss, Jyoti ma'am is with us. She'll flip the coin. One of the captain will call. Please flip the coin, ma'am. Who's going to call? You will call? Heads from Sonam. Tells it is Team Elite. Manasi, you have won the toss. What have you decided?
Bowling.
Okay, it's the season 9 first match of the big tournament, big platform. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited, and I hope like my team will try our best. Yeah.
Well, since you are bowling first, have you even looked at the pitch, or is just the team management that forcing you to go for it?
We have seen the pitch, but now let's see.
Let's see, any particular amount of numbers that you have in your mind that you want to restrict your opponent?
Nothing planned as such right now.
All right, all the best. Sonam, happy to lose the toss.
Yeah, it's not a loss. We're just about to start the game. So just a toss. Let's see. May the best person win.
First match of this edition. How excited are you girls?
Well, for now I'm neutral. Let's see. Let me win the match first. But yeah, the way people have been cheering, it's quite motivating, which is also motivating me to play. And let's see who wins.
Well, since you girls are batting first, how much do you think will be enough on this wicket?
Not planned, honestly. But let's see. Let's at least cross 50. That's I'm hoping.
Well, let's see is what both the captain says, and that is it from the wicket here. The toss went in favor of Team Elite, and they are bowling first. We are about to begin in a while. Thank you.
Participants, please come ahead. And the rest of the participants is a request to please sit, settle down.
hello, hello, check, hello, 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 check, check, hello,
Hello,
hello.
check. Okay. Anyone left for the breakfast? We are closing. जिसका भी breakfast बाकी है, anyone who has not taken the bag.
Hello, hello, check. All right then, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is your commentator, Sunil Roy. Welcomes you here. We are live from Air India Cricket Ground. Play Sports Edition 9, it is 2026. The first match going on from the women's category. Dynamic Divas taking on Team Elite, where the toss went in favor of the skipper. Team Elite, the Mansi, the captain winning the toss, deciding to field first. The women in pink versus the women in orange. Two batters out in the middle. We are still waiting for the scorer and the confirmation from the umpire if we can go. Umpires, please wait. And I request 12th player from both the team. The extra player from both the team Elite and Dynamic Divas. Please send your extra player here at the dais. We need the name of the fielders. We haven't got the name of the batters yet, the bowlers. Extra player from both the team are required here before we commence with the first game of Play Sports 2026. Umpires, please wait. एक बार फिर मेरा निवेदन है दोनों ही टीम से प्लीज अपने एक अतिरिक्त खिलाड़ी को स्कोरर के पास भेज दीजिए। बल्लेबाजों का और गेंदबाज का नाम अभी तक नहीं मिला है। Okay, so we have got someone who knows the name of the players. Thank you, sir. All right, then it's Captain Sonam taking strike and Priyanka at the non-striker Zen from Dynamic Divas, and the bowler is Mega. We are all set, and yes, umpire. We're waiting for your call. Yes, it is. The scorer ready. The teams are ready. Let's place the call. A very first delivery was looking to pull it on the onside outside edge, and keeper did well. Dot ball to start off. Wonderful looking shot, and that will go to the fence in a flash. What a way to get off the mark. Sonam waits for it, goes on the back foot and smashes it right from the middle of the bat. Wonderful looking shot, and that will go to the fence. 4 runs already. Let me tell you, it's a 5 overs game in the women's category. 4 bowlers have to be used. Only one bowler can bowl a maximum of 2 overs. Oh, wonderful delivery. Good comeback by Megha. Megha it is. This is great, great bowling. After being hammered for a boundary, Megha knows what needed to be done here on this pitch. Fuller length delivery. This time on the back foot. And she doesn't even bother to run. How about the confidence there from Sonam? The second boundary in the over. 8 runs on the board. Well, during the toss, she did mention the toss doesn't matter to this team, Dynamic Divas. Well bowled. That was quicker than the previous delivery. Single of the last over. And the strike will be retained by Sonam. End of over number 19 without losing a wicket. Dynamic Divas versus Team Elite. First match going on. हेलो हेलो हेलो।
Check, 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 check.
Hello, hello, check. All right then. We're back live. 18 without losing a wicket. What a start this is. Dynamic Divas, they are off to fly. Thanks to their captain. Sonam, 15 of just 11 deliveries, and Priyanka Bhansali at the non-strikers end, playing the second fiddle so far in this partnership. Oh, what a shot! Straight over the baller's head. Long off gives it a chase. 1 run completed. They are looking for 2. Sonam wanted. Priyanka hesitated. And eventually they are settled for 1. Kranti Sawant is the bowler, and extension of an arm from the umpire signaling it. Being called as wide. 20 runs on the board. क्या शुरुआत मिली है यहाँ पर डायनामिक डिवास को। तीसरा ओवर गतिमान है, एक भी विकेट का पतन नहीं हुआ है और 20 रन जड़ दिए हैं स्कोरबोर्ड पर। जैसा नाम वैसा काम, डायनामिक जैसा नाम है उसी प्रकार डायनामिक शुरुआत भी मिली है टीम को। लेकिन तारीफ करी होगी गेंदबाजों की भी। तीसरा ओवर है, रनों की गति बहुत ज्यादा तेज नहीं है। आखिरी गेंद है इस ओवर की, देखना होगा किस प्रकार अंत होता है ओवर का। डॉट के साथ अंत किया है क्रांति सावंत ने। 3 ओवर का खेल पूरा। डायनामिक डिवास टॉस हारने के बाद पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए 20 रन बिना किसी नुकसान के। कैच हिट का कॉल है वहां पर। 1 नहीं 2 नहीं 3 खिलाड़ियों ने प्रयास किया था उस कैच को लपकने का। लपका नहीं, टपक गया है और पलक झपकते ही दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों ने 2 रन दौड़कर पूरे किए। दोनों ही खिलाड़ी आपस में टकरा गए और यह अच्छा दृश्य नहीं है। एक खिलाड़ी चोटिल नजर आ रहे हैं। उम्मीद यही करेंगे कि बहुत बड़ी चोट ना लगी हो उन्हें, गंभीर अवस्था ना हो, बस इसी की आशा करते हैं हम। एक बार फिर मैं आप सभी का कमेंटेटर सुनील रॉय स्वागत करता हूं प्ले स्पोर्ट्स एडिशन 9 2026 में। खूबसूरत सा मैदान, खूबसूरत सा दिन, एयर इंडिया ग्राउंड का ये हेलो एयर इंडिया ग्राउंड पे ये मुकाबला खेला जा रहा है। पहला मुकाबला है ये आज के दिन का और पहला ही मुकाबला विमेंस कैटेगरी से खेला जा रहा है। टीम एलीट और टीम डायनामिक डिवास, माफ कीजिए। चौथा ओवर गतिमान है, 22 रन बने हैं, पहली पारी जारी है। धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा मैं यहां पर हमारे स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट कंपनी मौका 365 ज्योति लैब्स का। बहुत ही बढ़िया कार्य किया है। मौका 365 के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता। अगर आप क्रिकेट प्रेमी हैं, मैचेस खेलते हैं, तो मौका 365 एक बहुत ही बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म है आप सभी के लिए।
भाइयों बहनों,
All right. I would like to welcome in the com box. I have got two veterans with me, Mr. Debojit and Raghavendra sir here, and we'll hear them in a while. Yes, sir. All yours. 22 for none.
Thank you, thank you. It's a nice play. Gaurangi. Priyanka on the way batting now. It's interesting. It's a very interesting woman power against women power, and they have always made the event very colorful. Here is an event where we cut across the departments and come together as a team. Yes, Priyanka, catch, catch.
Hello. Yes, sir. 24 is the score at the moment. 3.4. Last two deliveries remaining of the fourth over. And the batters are dealing in singles at the moment. They need fireworks. They need boundaries. I reckon the batters who are coming next, they will be itching to come out and start playing the shots. We are done with over number 426 without losing a wicket. आखिरी ओवर है राघवेंद्र सर, क्या लगता है 4 ओवर 26 रन बिना किसी नुकसान के कितना रन काफी होगा इस पहली पारी में?
सी हमने देखा है एटलीस्ट 80 तो चाहिए, नहीं तो मुश्किल है.
और सर स्कोर बोर्ड पे रन बने हैं सिर्फ 26. 80 रन तो बहुत दूर नजर आ रही है. एक कॉम्पिटिटिव, एक चैलेंजिंग टोटल आपकी नजर से क्या होगा?
ये मैच ऐसा बनते बनते आगे वाला कैसे खेलते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है अभी. सोनम लीगल एंगल से देख रही है किधर किधर मारेंगे अभी.
और अब तक अगर फेवरेट जोन देखा जाएगा सोनम का तो वो है स्क्वायर लेग, मिड विकेट और लॉन्ग ऑन.
वाओ.
ऑफ साइड में अब तक एक भी स्ट्रोक लगे हैं नहीं. तो फील्डिंग टीम को यहाँ पर कुछ रणनीति के तहत ही गेंदबाजी करनी होगी, जो रणनीति बनाई है यहाँ पर टीम एलिट ने. टॉस जीता, पहले बॉलिंग करने का फैसला, और अब तक मेरे ख्याल से वो फैसला बढ़िया साबित होता हुआ.
बहुत बढ़िया साबित हुआ. मेगा टू सोनम, कैच एफर्ट गौरांगी. आईटी से निकल के मार्केट इतना कहा गया था बॉल.
बिल्कुल, कहते हैं ना बदलने से भी नहीं बदलती है हाथों की रेखा, और गेंदबाजी के लिए आई है मेघा. 27 रन बिना किसी नुकसान के, 5 गेंदें शेष.
Mega with the third ball of the fifth of the last over. Mega into bowl. Facing her is Sonam. It's a good ball and Sonam just brushes it away, no run. ये low scoring match लग रहा है. The fifth over score on the board is 28. Oh, a low scoring game. 28 for no loss. Fourth ball.
Only 2 deliveries remaining of the last over. 28 without losing a wicket, and Dynamic Divas, they need to start finding boundaries of these 2 deliveries. Couple of boundaries will take the team's total to 36. But Mega, wonderful delivery. Not only the batter got beaten, but the wicket keeper as well. 1 run will be taken in form of byes. 29 is the score. Last ball of the inning. And the captain is at the strike. Sonam, she needs to find the middle of the bat. She needs to send the ball over the boundary rope. Will she be able to do it? Has she connected
Yeah.
it well? Fielder is there. Oh, they have not taken
Oh,
even a single.
Single, right, right. That's a very good delivery and very well fielded. I think it's an excellent over. Uh, at the end of 5 overs now, Dynamic Divas 29 without loss. A low-scoring match.
One batting request. Please go to the breakfast. Finish your batting breakfast, please. It is going to get close now. Last call for the breakfast right away.
So Dynamic Divas have ended ended the score with 29, which leaves Team Elite to score 30 out of 5 overs. Pretty low scoring, and I think Team Elite will be now gunning to do it very quickly. Let's see what happens.
30 का टारगेट.
I'm sure Mansi, the captain, must be strategizing कि 30 कितना जल्दी उन लोग अचीव कर सकते हैं. शायद 3 ओवर में ही ट्राई करेंगे.
3 ओवर में आराम
3 ओवर
से.
में ही ट्राई करेंगे ऐसा लग रहा है.
आराम से.
क्योंकि डायनामिक दीवाज ने कैपिटलाइज नहीं किया. काफ़ी अच्छी बॉलिंग रही एलिट की. राइट. सो लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच फॉर टीम एलिट नाउ. लेट्स सी हु कम्स इनटू बैट.
कैप्टन मानसी फ्रॉम टीम एलाइट उड़ान भरते हुए सबकी नजर टीम एलाइट के सामने.
Thank you, DJ. May I request the fielding team, Dynamic Divas, please take the field. We have many more matches to be played. We have started late. All right then. 30 is the target. The next match will be played from the men's category, Team Extremes and Team Red Rangers. I request both the captains, both the skipper from the team to report here. Team Extremes and Red Rangers from the men's category. Next match. All eyes on this match from women's category. 30 is the score from Team Elite.
Gaurangi and Manasi at the crease now. Manasi. Gaurangi. Non-strike पे. Interesting match है. कितना जल्दी खत्म होगा ये देखना चाहिए. बॉलर नहीं इधर देखा नहीं मैं अभी तक. बॉलर नेम अदिति है क्या? उसके हाथ में है क्या बॉल? दिख नहीं रहा है.
The bowler is Nadine and Mansi, the captain,
Yes.
is at the strike. Non-strikers, Gaurangi. 30 is the score. Welcome back to the chase. Let's praise the call from the
Wow,
umpire.
The ball is going to come from the legal point once again. Come on. Good attempt. Catch था. छूट गया. इसके बीच में 2 रन हो गई. भाई लोग अपना मौका है, अपना अपना बैनर पोस्टर बना लीजिए.
This is a request to all the committee members.
Aditi,
All the committee members, please gather in 10 minutes for the
Aditi
committee
Nipal.
meeting. Here near the scoreboard. All the committee members need to report here for the committee
Mansi ne
meeting
bahut
which is
bada
about to
अच्छा-
happen in 10 minutes.
अच्छा हिट किया. 4 ये लग गई. 4 हो गया. एक ही हफ्ते, एक ही ओवर में ये मैच समाप्त हो सकता है अभी.
बहुत ही मुश्किल है सर, क्योंकि अभी चाहिए 22 रन, 3 गेंदें शेष हैं और 3 मैक्सिमम के साथ वहां पर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा. बॉलर बहुत ही ज्यादा अगर दिलदार होगा तो ही ये मुकाबला एक ओवर में जीत सकते हैं टीम एलिट. बहरहाल
एंड ऑफ 3 balls 8 for 0. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मानसी इज नाउ डिटरमिन्ड टू स्कोर इट वेरी क्विकली. क्विक सिंगल, 4th ball, स्कोर इज 9 for no loss.
देखिए यहीं पर यही एक गलती डायनामिक डिवास ने किया था जो टीम एलिट नहीं कर रहा है. बाउंड्रीज के बाद सिंगल्स ले रहे हैं, स्ट्राइक रोटेट कर रहे हैं और यही करने की जरूरत होती है.
एक अच्छी और एक 4 जाने की. अदिति ने रुकवा दिया, वापस जा रहे हैं एक बॉल. बहुत ही अच्छा रन बिटवीन द विकेट्स बिटवीन मानसी एंड गौरांगी. लीगल नोटिस फेंक रहे हैं. चलो. Extremely good running between the wickets.
At the end of over 1, 12 for no loss. Team Elite looks really determined to finish this match as quickly as possible. 4 के बाद में 1 और 2 ले रहे हैं. Very good strategy. पहला ओवर नदीन का has been hit all around. Second over, Rohini Kotiani into bowl. First ball. On strike is Mansi. Mansi tries to swipe it out, completely misses the ball, goes to the wicket keeper. Second ball from Rohini. Abhi, she could connect very well, and let's see ये single होता है कि नहीं. हाँ, single. So the score is 13 for the loss of no wicket at the end of 1.2 overs.
देखिए इस मुकाबले में अब वापसी करने के लिए डायनामिक डिवास के लिए विकल्प बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. विकल्प एक ही है कि लगातार अंतराल में विकेट झटकने होंगे. टीम एलिट को
Good
बैकफुट
hit from Gaurangi. Catch. It's a fantastic catch from Sonam. Legal ने पकड़ा.
फोटोग्राफर
मार्केटिंग ने दे दिया बॉल लीगल के हाथ में.
फोटोग्राफर.
This is the first wicket of the match, I think.
Indeed, it is the
One
first
person, one
wicket.
photographer can come. One photographer can come.
What a grab that was from the captain herself, Sonam, at deep mid wicket. Let me tell you, the ball was middled and it was traveling, but she did well to latch on it. Wonderful fielding. We just mentioned about taking wickets and the captain is showing the way. At number 3, we have Kranti Sawant making her way for the team elite, and Rohini losing the radar, spraying it way outside the off stump. Wide is the call from the umpire. This could be over. This could be the over that will change the momentum for Dynamic Divas.
Hello.
Yes. Rohini is managing the wicket with the bowling also. Good running between the
Hello.
wickets.
16 for the loss of 1 wicket. One more ball to go for the second over now.
We need 2 more wickets now to take the game in the control of bowlers now. Rohini, Isala Cup Nimade.
I am a bad person.
क्या लगता है पहला मुकाबला है, दबाव जैसा कुछ महसूस हो रहा है?
नहीं, दबाव ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दो प्लेयर हमारे बहुत अच्छे हैं, विनीत है, संकेत भी ऐड हुआ है और बाकी प्रैक्टिस सेशन में हमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. अभी लेट्स सी रिजल्ट देते हैं.
टॉस जीतने के बाद गेंदबाजी करने का फैसला, बैटिंग बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला, ये फैसला क्या मद्देनजर रखते हुए आपने लिया है?
हमारे टीम में बॉलर बहुत अच्छे हैं तो वो डिफेंस कर सकते हैं.
ये कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ही बढ़िया है. क्या इसी प्रकार की कॉन्फिडेंस की अपेक्षा आपसे भी किया जा सकता है अंबर जी?
Yes, I think we are pretty determined. They are a very strong side. Gitesh himself is a very good batsman, I think, which is why they have taken the batting as well. He wants to put up a big score and try to defend that. We'll do our best.
Well, since you know the strength of your opponent, what do you think will be a good total on this wicket?
Difficult to predict right now because we haven't even not even a single match has happened so far, so we don't know. We'll have to see now.
How
Meanwhile-
excited and how prepared are you guys? Playing the first match from the men's
It's a
category, big platform, wonderful ground, and extremely wonderful atmosphere.
Meanwhile, on the field, the score
Red
24 for the loss of
Rangers
1.
are
four.
always ready, and we are going for it.
All right, then. Thank you so much, gentlemen. The news. एक minute.
Team Elite 24 for the loss of 1 wicket.
So the news from the center.
Team Elite doing really well. Sonam coming in with the 4th delivery of the 3rd ball and just goes to the wicket keeper.
Thank you.
24 for the loss of 1 wicket. Team Elite on, looking very strong and looking on course.
It's a very good chance that ये ओवर में ये मैच खत्म हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल राघव, बिल्कुल. एक 6 की जरूरत है.
Mansi has been very consistent in her approach and so far she has made her runs count.
That's a
Big
beautiful
hit.
shot.
Good shot,
Will fetch her a single.
well defended. Overthrow,
Oh, check.
one more run. Got grace.
So the first toss is done from the men's category, and the news from the center is Team Extreme winning the toss, and they are batting first, inviting their opponent Red Rangers to come out and bowl.
Team Elite, last ball. If they target a 4, I think the match is all over.
All wrapped
Let's
up.
see what's the strategy. What will Mansi do now? Sonam with the last delivery of the 2nd over.
26 for 1 now.
But Mansi will be more than happy to play the winning runs. Will she be able to finish it off in style, sir?
1-6, it's a possibility, but at least 4 should be there.
4 is
Oh, no.
what
Yeah.
my fellow commentator Raghavendra sir is demanding. He's hoping for a boundary from the bat of Mansi.
So I think we'll need to wait for another over. Oh, sorry, there's one more delivery. Sonam with the last ball, and that's
Mansi ने
very
बहुत
well
अच्छा बाला.
swept away for
Misfield.
a single here. So at the end of the 2nd over, the score stays 28 for the loss of 1 wicket.
ये बिल्कुल जैसे कहते हैं ना सर, शतरंज के मुकाबले में जब आप विपक्षी टीम के राजा को मात दे दें तो आपने मुकाबले जीत लिया है. आपको सिपाही की तरफ देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. और वही हुआ तीसरे ओवर में. मानसी वर्सेस सोनम के बीच वो मुकाबला था, कैप्टन वर्सेस कैप्टन था, और मानसी ने सोनम के
Well played, girls. It was a
Team
very
Extreme,
good,
Red
interesting
Rangers,
knock.
please set your fields across the ground. I request everyone to please clear the ground. We are starting with the next match.
The match will be red hot.